Welcome back to my channel, and for this video I'm going to show you how to get notifications regarding lost stock or out of stock products in Woocommerce. So for you to be able to do that, you need to switch to the Woocommerce plugin and then the settings section, and then select the products tab, and then switch to inventory sub tab. Then from here, just scroll down to this part where you'll see notifications. Okay, so the first thing you have to ensure is to enable low stock notification. So this will ensure that you get notifications once your stock runs out. Then enable out of stock notification. So those are the two notifications that we are interested in. Now, the other part you need to be careful with is the notification recipient. Okay, so for this particular one, by default it's the store email, and you can add more by just doing a comma and then adding another email that should actually receive the notification. For the other part, we want to set the threshold for both low stock and out of stock. So for this one, when for example, this one 2 means that the moment the product stock, the moment we only have 2 items for a particular product, it will be regarded as low stock. Okay, and out of stock will be 0. So it means once a product quantity gets to 0, it will be regarded as out of stock. So that's the threshold. You could modify this. Maybe for the low stock I would prefer it at 5, and then for out of stock I'll just leave it to 0. Okay, so what this will ensure that you get the appropriate notifications and you are able to actually update your stock, or also know what the next step is. And then for this other part where you can hide out stock if the stock of the current product is currently at 0, by just checking this box. Okay, so that's it, guys. Now you know how to get the notifications. If you have any questions, please reach out, and remember to actually click save changes. Okay.